3 years ago, I did a video where I experimented with searching in Google Drive, and I showed you a tactic that was, I believe, improperly documented in Google Help. And that was the ability to look for a document. Let's look for Teddy Burris resume 2026. So that's the setup. I set that up. But I wanted only all the files that are not .docx. And in the previous video, I said use not, uppercase NOT, I actually said not docx. That's all we had to do. But it doesn't work. It includes docx and it excludes the other one, which doesn't have docx. So this is not working. Let me just check one more thing. How about not .docx? That doesn't work. Not dot. That doesn't work. The bottom line, and this is in free Gmail. In free Gmail, I can't get it to work. Now, in the help document, it also says you can use title. So this is specifically searching title. And let me make sure I'm saying that right. Title, it shows no space between the semicolons. So let's go back here and put no space and hit enter. And I got it, but I want to get rid of the .docx. So I want to say not docx. Doesn't work. How about not? In free Gmail, doesn't work. Let's go over to Google Workspace. In Google Workspace, let's look at first the same thing, Teddy Burris resume 2026. It brought up a bunch of them. And there's that docx. I want to get rid of that. Well, let's try title first. title colon. There it is. Teddy Burris business resume. That's interesting. I didn't include business resume. Resume. Let's put quotes around that. If it's just specifically that, it still brings up business resume. However, if I put the not, which is what the previously I discovered, not docx, it brought it up. It excluded the business one, but it brought it up. Was the business one a docx? Let's go look. No, the business one was not. So I put not. It's got to be all uppercase. And it brought up what I'm looking for. So, and let's try negative. And I know the negative's got to be no space. And it brought up both of them, including business, which is not what I want. But I got rid of the docx. Here's what I've discovered this morning. In free Gmail, this operator, whatever you're using, the uppercase not or the negative, does not appear to work. If I do not docx, if I do negative docx, if I just search for title, just search for that, it does not work. Get rid of that, and I get what I'm looking for. In Google Workspace, the dash, which means to exclude docx, works. Whether I'm looking for Teddy Burris, or looking for titles of Teddy Burris. Now, by the way, in this list, there should be no docx files. None. There are none. So 2023 to 2026, the system's changed. And it's changed even more so in that you can't use these exclusionaries. It appears you cannot use these exclusionaries in free Gmail, only in paid Google Workspace. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this updated information is useful for you.